The National Task Force Against COVID-19 was alarmed that a majority of active cases in Batangas are only under home quarantine. Meanwhile, an international medical journal ranks the Philippines 66th in terms of virus suppression. The reason for the low ranking in this report by J.C. Cosico.
Officials from the National Task Force Against COVID-19 and the Code Team visited Batangas to aid the province in its COVID-19 response. They were alarmed after finding out that of the 6,000 confirmed infections in the province, majority of the over 2,600 active cases are under home quarantine.
Once na hindi nyo tinanggal yan sa bahay, hahawahan niya yung kanyang mga anak, hahawahan niya yung mga kapatid, hahawahan niya yung lahat ng kaibigan sa community, hahawahan niya yung tindera, hahawahan niya lahat yung mga pinupuntahan niya.
Here's the problem. The province has only 26 isolation sites with a 500-bed capacity. Its health office admitted they are having difficulties in identifying quarantine sites.
Although sa ibang LGUs po kasi, meron sila na-identify. Ang problema kasi ngayon, sino yung magmaman doon sa facility?
The national government vowed to help Batangas with this problem.
Dito po sa probinsya ng Batangas ay may inihahanda po kaming 600 beds immediately, na kwarto para po maihiwalay ito. Meron tayong mga hotels na po na na-identify. Meron pong dalawa na nasa 300 beds po yon na ready for occupancy na yon.
In a separate press briefing, the NTF slammed the Vice President Leni Robredo's comment that COVID-19 can be suppressed even without a vaccine.
Bago po sana po kayo mag-comment, tingnan niyo po yung nangyayari sa baba. Ang lahat po ng ating mga LGUs na papakihirap at saka ang ating mga tinatawag natin mga health workers na papakihirap para masugpo po ang COVID-19. Marami po tayong deficiencies.
In a Facebook post, Robredo shared the study of international medical journal The Lancet, which stated that 19 countries, including Taiwan, Thailand, and Cuba, have suppressed the virus. This, says Robredo, is something the Philippines can replicate. The same study also ranked the country 66 out of 91 countries in terms of virus suppression. Lancet also attributed the country's rank to President Rodrigo Duterte's so-called medical populism. The health department brushed this off and said they will just continue working.
We always receive naman itong mga ganitong mga komento, no? There are rankings and then there are this specific comments. But ang sa amin, magtatrabaho lang kami ng tuloy-tuloy. Kami po ay sama-samang nagtatrabaho.
Care utilization rate in NCR, Calabarzon, and Cebu have improved, including that of case and mortality doubling time. But Vergere says this does not mean that Metro Manila may be downgraded to a more relaxed quarantine status, as there are still clustering of cases. Meanwhile, the NTF is already preparing for the possible shift of Metro Manila to MGCQ.
Ibig sabihin, dapat we will prepare our capacities and also we will prepare our quarantine facilities and also prepare po natin ang ating tinatawag nating minimum health standard to be fully implemented to the fullest.
For News 5, J.C. Cosico, we are One News.